Hey guys, MGK Pants here, the new content manager for Cloud9 Games. Now, I'm just posting a little update video here to tell you guys all what's going on. I'm now in charge of maintaining this channel, so as what I did to help make that easier, I made an upload form. You can click the link on the screen to fill that out, and as what this allows you to do is you'll be able to submit videos to me, and it essentially allows me to upload them to Cloud9 Games. So if you want your videos uploaded on Cloud9 Games, you can fill out that form, and if I think they meet the standards that are required to get uploaded on this channel, then they will be added to the upload list. So it's pretty simple, not that complicated. You can also add me on Skype. My Skype is K_anypants. I'll put it in the description. So that's basically it. Just fill out that form if you want your video uploaded on Cloud9 Games. And yeah, have a good day. Peace.